Top 5 Best Motorcycle Helmets. Top 1. HJC Solid Men CL Max 2 Bluetooth Sports Bike Motorcycle Helmet. Color, black. Size, X large. HJC Solid CL Max 2 Bluetooth Sports Bike Helmet for Men. 2012 model. Top 2. Shoei Solid Neotec 2 Modular Motorcycle Helmet. Aerodynamic properties are maximized through extensive wind tunnel testing. Vortex generator on the face cover. Top 3. Bullitt Carbon Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. 3 shell and DPS sizes for a personalized fit. Accessory shields available for a personalized look. Top 4. Race Star Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. Progressive layering, a first of its kind, 3-layer impact liner designed to manage energy from 3 potential impact scenarios: low, mid and high speed. Top 5. ScorpionExo Covert Unisex-Adult Half-Size Style Matte Black Helmet. Advanced LG polycarbonate shell, developed exclusively by Scorpion. Our industry-leading polycarbonate shell is engineered to minimize weight and disperse impact.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.